Welcome to part 2 of our series, Prerequisites Before Starting Automation Testing. In this session, we'll cover what foundational knowledge and skills you should have before diving into automation. Before you begin automation testing, ensure you have a solid grasp of manual testing, understand how to write test cases, and are familiar with basic programming. Tools like JIRA will also be helpful as you progress. You must understand SDLC, SDLC, and different testing types like smoke and regression. You should also know how to write test cases, log bugs, and to use traceability matrices to connect requirements with test cases. Writing detailed and reproducible test cases is a core skill. You should also be comfortable using tools like JIRA to report bugs, include screenshots, and correctly assign severity and priority. Agile and Scrum are the most common methodologies in today's companies. You'll be involved in sprints, stand-ups, and daily planning. QA plays a key role throughout the software development lifecycle. Get comfortable with tools like JIRA for task tracking and Excel for managing test cases. Other optional tools include TestRail and Confluence, often used for test documentation and sharing information across teams. Programming is at the heart of automation. You don't need to be an expert, but understanding the basics like loops, conditions, and classes will help you build and debug your automation scripts effectively. Many people believe automation requires expert coding or that it replaces manual testing. That's not true. It enhances testing. You can start small and build gradually with regular practice and patience. Here's your checklist before you start. Be strong in manual testing, know how to write and report bugs, understand Agile, pick one language to learn, and choose your first automation tool to begin with confidence.